Hello students, welcome to the online classes. Today in this video I will explain you mensuration exercise number 1. The name of the exercise is area. So in this exercise we will basically discuss about the area of the trapezium. But before starting the topic, we will revise the work which I already taught you in the previous classes. So various quadrilaterals areas you already studied in the previous classes. So first of all, with the triangle topic we will start. Triangle. What is triangle? Triangle is a closed figure which is bounded by the three sides. Closed figure with the three side is known as a triangle. So area of triangle, if we have to find area of triangle. So what formula we have to use to find the area of the triangle? If the triangle is a right angle triangle, then in that case we have to use the formula half into base into height. If the triangle is a right angle triangle. If the triangle is a scalene triangle, that means if the three sides, let's say the first side of the triangle is 5 centimeter, second side of the triangle is 4 centimeter, and the third side is 3 centimeter. So in such case, when all the three sides will be given to you and triangle is not a right angle triangle, here this formula, first formula we have to use in a right angle triangle. When one of the interior angle of a triangle is 90, then in that case we have to use this formula, area of triangle half into base into height. This formula you already studied in class 7th. Second formula which we have to use for area of triangle is equal to under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s stands for the semi-perimeter. This s stands for semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means, first of all we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the three sides. Semi means half, so we have to divide it by 2. So this formula is known as Heron's formula. This formula you already studied in class 7th. So in order to find the area of the triangle in which all the three sides of the triangle are given, we will use this formula. Here A, B and C denotes the three side of a triangle. So first of all we have to find the semi-perimeter S. A plus B plus C divided by 2. After finding the semi-perimeter, we will apply this formula, square root of S multiply S minus A multiply S minus B. This is S. I will erase it and write the properly. Here it is S. S minus B into S minus C. So this is the formula to find the area of the triangle in which all the three sides of the triangle are given. Similarly, we already studied in the class 7th how to find the area of rectangle. In order to find the area of rectangle, we know the formula to find the area of rectangle is area of rectangle length multiply breadth. Another formula for triangle also, one more formula you can use if the triangle is equilateral. I forgot to tell, but you already studied in class 7. This first formula is for the right angle triangle if the triangle is right angle triangle. Second formula for the area of triangle we have to use when all three sides are given, when all three sides of different length are given, then we can use this formula, Heron's formula. If triangle is an equilateral triangle, if triangle is equilateral triangle, then how we will find area? Area of equilateral triangle, formula to find the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 multiply side of the equilateral triangle square. This is the formula to find the area of an equilateral triangle. So three types of triangle formula I told you. These three formulas you have to remember. Now after that, area of the rectangle. In order to find the area of rectangle, we have to use formula length into breadth. Another formula, area of square. Formula to find the area of square is side multiply side. Another formula which you already studied in the previous classes, area of parallelogram. This is one type of quadrilateral. Square is also a quadrilateral. Rectangle is also a quadrilateral. Similarly, parallelogram. Area of parallelogram formula is base multiply height. This is also one type of a quadrilateral. Why I am saying quadrilateral? Because all these figures, parallelogram, square, rectangle, all these figures are of four side. Closed figures with four sides are known as quadrilateral. So area of parallelogram formula you have to remember, base into height. Now area of rhombus. In order to find the area of rhombus, we will use formula half into product of the diagonal. Product means multiply. First diagonal multiply the second diagonal. So these are the formulas which you already studied in the previous classes, and these formula we will be going to use in this exercise. But specially we will focus in this exercise on the trapezium. So what is trapezium? We will start with this topic, trapezium. Trapezium is a closed figure with the four sides, but closed figure of four side are square is also a four-sided closed figure, rectangle is also a four-sided figure. So what is the speciality of a trapezium? In the trapezium, out of four sides, one pair of opposite side will be parallel, one pair of opposite side. Opposite means आमने सामने की side. So let's say this is the trapezium A, B, C, D. These two sides are parallel side. Why these two are parallel? Because if we will produce these two sides further, then they will never meet each other. So such sides are known as parallel side. So when we will produce these two sides, they will never intersect each other. So that's why these two are the parallel side. But if we will produce the other pair of opposite side, AD and BC, these two are also the opposite side. If we will produce them, then these two sides will intersect each other here. So what do you observe? Trapezium is a four-sided closed figure in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So in this figure, AB and DC are the parallel sides. Another pair of opposite side, AD and BC. Another pair of opposite side are non-parallel. These are non-parallel side. So such closed figure are known as trapezium. Now how we will find the area of a trapezium? In order to find the area of trapezium, you have to remember the formula. Area of trapezium is equal to half multiply sum of parallel sides multiply by height. So this is the formula which we have to use in this exercise. In order to find the area of trapezium, we will use this formula. So according to this figure which I drawn here, according to this figure, if we will talk about the parallel side, what are the parallel side? AB and DC. These two are the parallel side. So here it will be half into sum of parallel side means we will add these two sides, AB and DC. So AB sum means plus. So we will add them, AB plus DC, multiply by height. Now what is this height? Height means here the figure height, if we will talk, height means the distance between the parallel side. Height in Hindi what we call height? Height means ऊंचाई. ये एक फोर साइडेड फिगर है. In order to find the height, what you will do? This is the base. Base means, let's say this is the ground. This is a building. ABCD is a building. Suppose this is a building. DC is the ground and AB is the top, roof, जिसे छत कहते हैं, ये roof है. So what will be the height of this building? Height means from the bottom till topmost point जो होता है उसके बीच की डिस्टेंस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? हाइट. सो द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दीज टू पैरेलल लाइंस इज नोन एज हाइट ऑफ द ट्रेपेजियम. Height means perpendicular distance, the perpendicular distance between these two parallel lines. So if we will solve this question number 1 first part, what is the question here? Find the area of trapezium. So in order to find the area of trapezium, we will write down the formula, half into sum of parallel side into height. In the first part, what is given? The parallel sides are 16 and 22. These two parallel side, one parallel side is AB, another parallel side is DC. These two parallel sides are given. Shorter side is 16, that means AB is 16, longer side 22, that means according to this figure DC longer side is 22, and the perpendicular distance between them, between these two parallel line, the perpendicular distance which we call height, this perpendicular distance is 11. So height is given here 11. So what we have to do? Formula for the area of trapezium, we will use half into sum of parallel side into height. So half into sum of parallel side means AB plus DC into height. Height is given here 11 in the question. So we will use that height 11. Now we will put all the values. Half into AB length is 16 plus DC length is 22. Multiply height. Height is 11. After solving this, we will get half into, first of all, we will follow BODMAS rule. We will add them, which are given in the bracket. After adding them, we will get 38 multiply 11. When we will cut 2 and 38, we will get 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18. 19 into 11. Now we will further multiply them, 19 and 11. When we will multiply, we will get 9, 10, 1, 209. So final answer we are getting 209. So what is the answer? Answer is 209. Whose answer? This is the answer of area. So now here we have to write the unit also. Unit for the area is either meter square or centimeter square. In the question, centimeters are given. All the dimensions are given in centimeters. So here area answer will come in centimeter square. So unit, you have to remember, it is compulsory to write the unit at the end. So final answer we are getting here, first part is 209 centimeter square. So like this you have to do the second part also. Now we will come to next question. Question number 2. First part we will solve. Both the parts are same. Second part you have to try by yourself. I will tell you first part. Question is, if one of the parallel side of trapezium is 48. First of all, we will draw the figure for trapezium, closed figure, in which one pair of opposite side we have to take parallel. These two opposite sides are parallel, and these two non-parallel sides we will draw. We will write here A, B, C, D. This is the trapezium, four-sided figure. One of the parallel side of trapezium is 48. Out of two parallel side, one is given 48. So let's say AB is given how much? 48 centimeter. The distance between the parallel side is 25. Distance between parallel side. AB and DC are the parallel side. Distance between them. Distance between these two sides is given how much? 25. What is this distance called? In the previous question I told you, the distance between the parallel side is known as height. Height, or we can call altitude also, or perpendicular. So height is given how much? 25 centimeter. And the area of trapezium is given. Area of trapezium. This time we will not find the area of trapezium. It is already given in the question. What is the area of trapezium? 900 centimeter square. So these three things are given, and we have to find the length of the other parallel side. Other parallel side is DC. So we have to find the length of DC. So in order to find the length of DC, we will take the help of this answer. Answer of area of trapezium is given 900. Under this area of trapezium, we will write down the formula. Formula for area of trapezium is half. So under the area of trapezium, I will write the formula half into. Formula for area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel lines, sum of parallel sides, multiply by height. This is the formula. On the right hand side 900 is written, so same 900 I written here also. Now half into sum of parallel side. Parallel side we have to add. What are the parallel side? AB and DC. We will add them. AB plus DC. Bracket close. Outside the bracket what is written? Multiply by height. So multiply by height. Height is already given. We will write the answer. What is the answer of height? 25 equal 900. Now what we will do? This 2 is in divide upon. This 2 is coming under the upon sign. That means in the denominator it is coming. When we will bring this 2 on the other side, divide 2 will come in multiply. What about this 25? 25 is in multiply here. On the left side of equal to, 25 is in multiply. When we will bring on the right hand, this will come in divide. So what will be the remaining term on the left hand? AB plus DC will be the remaining term. 2 and 25 we are removing from the left hand. Now we will bring them on the right side. So 900 will remain at its place. Divide 2 will come in, multiply 2. Multiply 25 will come in, divide. Now what we will do? AB plus DC is coming on the left hand. What about AB? AB is given in the question. AB is 48. DC we have to find. Now we will cut them. 25 3 ja 75. When we will subtract 75 and 90, we will get 15. Remainder will be 15. 15 and 0 will become 150. 25 6 ja 150. So here 36 into 2 we are getting 36 2 ja 72. Now 48 will come on right hand. So DC will be 72 plus 48 will become minus 48. When we will subtract them, 12 minus 8 will be 4. Here it will be 6. 6 minus 4 will be 2. So DC answer we are getting how much? 24. So what is DC? DC is a side. So unit we have to write here centimeters. So final answer is 24 centimeters. So like this you have to do part number first. Now we will come to next question. Question number 4. The parts which I did not explain, those parts you have to try by yourself. If you find any difficulty, then I will provide you the link in the description box. In the description box, link will be there. Click on that link, then you will get the remaining part solution also. So we will solve the question number 4 now. Question number 4 is, find the area of semicircle. So here one new figure is coming. The figure is semicircle. So circle area you already studied in the previous class. Circle. Formula to find the area of circle. Area of circle formula is pi r square. This is the formula to calculate the area of a circle. But here circle word is not there. Semicircle is written. Semi means half circle. This is the half circle. So in order to find the area, this A to B, this AB line is known as diameter. Diameter AB. AB is the diameter. If we will talk about radius, the half length of this diameter is known as radius. Let's say this is the center O. So radius is OA, or we can say radius is OB. Both the length are equal. AO and OB both are equal in length. Why these two are equal? These are the radii of the circle, radius of the circle. So in order to find the radius, AO and OB are equal because these two are radius. So if diameter is given in the question and you have to find radius, what you will do? Formula you have to use, radius is equal to diameter upon 2. This formula you have to remember. Radius is half of diameter. R is equal to D upon 2. As in the question here, it is written, first part if we will solve, radius is given 21 centimeter. Radius is given 21 and we have to find the area of semicircle. So area of semicircle formula will be area of semicircle formula. First of all, we will write the formula for area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square. But this is the semicircle. Semi means half. semi word is coming, semi means half. So what we will do, we will half it, इसका half कर देंगे. Half means divide by 2. So formula for area of semicircle is pi r square upon 2. Now we will put the value. Pi value we have to take 22 upon 7. Pi is 22 upon 7. This you have to learn. Multiply radius square. What is the radius in the question? 21. Square is coming, so one more time we will multiply 21 into 21 because of square. Now upon 2. What we will do? Under this we will write upon, and here we will add 2 also. We can use single upon also. Here we can use single upon. Now 7 and 2 we will separate with the help of multiply sign. So what we had done, pi answer 22 upon 7 we have to put. Radius is given in the question 21. So square is coming, that's why 21 we had written 2 times. Upon 2, divide 2 we will write here in divide only. Now with the table of 7 we will cut these two numbers. 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. Now with the table of 2 we will cancel 22, 2 11 ja 22. Now 11 into 3 will be 33. Multiply 21. Now what we will do, multiply them. 33 into 21, answer will be 693. So final answer we are getting 639 not 693. So 693 unit we will talk. What is the unit here in the radius? Radius unit is centimeter. So area answer will be in centimeter square. So final answer of fourth question first part is 693 centimeter square. So like this you have to do part number first. Now part number third, it is also same. The only first step is different. What you will do in the first step? Diameter is given 7. D is equal to 7 meter. First of all we have to find the radius. R formula is D upon 2. As I told you here, radius is the half of diameter. Diameter is given 7 meter. So radius will be half of diameter, that is D upon 2. So we will write here 7 upon 2. Either we can change in decimal or you can write as it is. At last we will convert our answer in decimal. So leave it as it is. We will take fraction only. Now heading is find the area of semicircle. So we will find here area of semicircle. Formula to find the area of semicircle is, first of all, circle area pi r square. Semi word is coming, so we will divide by 2. In order to make it half, we will divide by 2. Pi value is 22 upon 7. Multiply r ka square. R is 7 upon 2. So square is coming, so 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. So what we have done here, this is pi value. This is r, again this is r, because here in the formula r square is coming. Now in the formula upon 2 is also there. So we have to add one more 2 in the denominator. So what we will do, this upon, we will make it as a single upon. एक ही कर देंगे इन्हें single. Separate them with the help of multiply sign and add one more 2 here in the multiply. We will write one more 2 in multiply here because of this formula. Now 7 in the denominator and 7 in the numerator cancel. 2 and 22 we will cancel with a table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 11 ja 22. Now nothing will get cancelled. So we will multiply 11 into 7, 77. 2 into 2, 4. So 77 upon 4 is the answer. Our answer is in here. Diameter is given in meter. So our answer will come in meter square. So either you write in the fraction form, answer is 77 upon 4, or you can convert in decimal also. In the decimal you can convert it by dividing 77 by 4, then you will get the answer in decimal format also. So this is the final answer. So like this you have to do all the parts of this question number 4. Now we will come to next question. Question number 6. So in this question what you have to do, question is ABCD is a rectangle. This figure is rectangle. Calculate the shaded area. In your textbook, this much part is shaded with red color. So we have to find the area of shaded part. So in order to find the area of this shaded part, what you will do? Here two figures are there, closed figure. What are those two figure? First figure is rectangle. This figure ABCD is a rectangle. So first of all, we will do work for rectangle. We will put one heading for rectangle. In the rectangle, we have to write length as well as breadth. What is the length here? Length is 16 centimeter. What about breadth? Breadth is also given 12 centimeter. We have to calculate the area, shaded part area. Area we have to find. So first of all, we will find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. The name of the rectangle is ABCD. Formula for area of rectangle is L into B. Length multiply breadth. Length is 16, breadth is 12. We will multiply these two, 16 into 12. Then we will get 192. So answer is 192 centimeter square. So this is the rectangle area, full area. Now another figure is trapezium. This figure is the trapezium. Why I am calling this figure trapezium? Because these two are the parallel side, 4 centimeter long, and this is 8 centimeter long. And other two side, these two are non-parallel side. So such figure is known as trapezium. Now this side is also given how much? 6 centimeter. So we will find area of trapezium. In the previous questions, I told you the formula to find the area of trapezium. What is that formula? Half into sum of parallel side. Here in the bracket we have to add. Which sides we have to add? Parallel side. The first parallel side is 4. Another parallel side is 8. So 4 plus 8. Multiply by height. Height means perpendicular distance between the parallel line. This is the figure. This much distance between the parallel line. This is the first parallel line. This is the second parallel line. The perpendicular distance between the parallel line is known as height. So what is the height here? This straight line is 6 centimeter. So we will use height 6 centimeter here. Now we will solve it and then we will get the answer of area of the trapezium. So what we will do? Half into, add them. 4 plus 8 will be 12 into 6. Now with the table of 2 we will cut it. 2 6 are 12. 6 into 6 will be 36. So answer of area of trapezium is 36 centimeter square. So in the given figure we have to find the area of the shaded part. This part is shaded. So trapezium is unshaded. Trapezium is unshaded. So what we have to do? We have to remove the unshaded part. So at last we will write area of shaded region, or we can write area of shaded part is equal to full figure area. Full figure is rectangle. Area of rectangle minus which part we have to remove? This trapezium is unshaded. So we will cut the trapezium area. So minus area of trapezium. This formula we will write. Shaded part area is equal to, according to the figure, rectangle area minus trapezium area we have to do. So we had written here rectangle area is 192 minus trapezium area is 36. When we will subtract them, we will get 12 minus 6 will be 6. 18 minus 3 will be 15. So final answer we are getting 156 centimeter square. So this is the answer of question number 6. So today we will solve up to question number 6. I hope today's topic is clear to you all. So your homework is you have to finish up to question number 6. Remaining parts you have to practice by yourself. If you find any difficulty in the remaining part, then you can watch the other video. I will give you link in the description box.